Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can easily automatically hide or unhide taskbar in Windows 11. This video is pretty quick, so if this video will help you, what you can do is write down below in the comments and that it helped you, so when other people will come here, they will know that it's like, okay, it's actually worth it to watch it. So right click on here on a taskbar and taskbar settings. Now right here, when you're gonna click taskbar settings, you're gonna have the taskbar behavior, and then you're gonna see taskbar alignment, and you can also automatically hide the taskbar. See, when I'm going to automatically hide it, I need to go with the mouse down below, so yep, thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.